Improving on excellence wasn't easy, but we did it. Get ready to experience the all-new Baron series by Broil King. These premium grills are engineered for unmatched grilling performance and cooking versatility. From 3 to 5 burner models, the all-new Baron is the everyday grill designed to suit small and large gatherings of hungry guests. Broil King's legendary cooking system gives you the ability to cook almost anything on your grill and in any style you desire. Each component of the cooking system is designed and engineered for one purpose: great barbecue flavor. The all-new Baron models come with either 3, 4, or 5 high-quality stainless steel dual-tube side-ported burners. These powerful dual-tube burners play a key role in providing efficient heat through more than 120 ports. Each burner has 2 ribbons of flame for a total of 6, 8, or 10 ribbons across the entire surface of the grill. This means you get more flame and more heat per square inch, and the ultimate in even heat distribution. The redesigned stainless steel Flavor Wave cooking system provides superior heat distribution across the entire surface of the grill and protects the burners. Drippings that fall onto the Flavor Wave are instantly vaporized. Vapor created through this process infuses back into the food for that unmistakable barbecue flavor. Broil King's heavy-duty cast iron grids retain the heat for great cooking results. One side is pointed to give you perfect grill marks, while the other side is grooved to capture juices for continuous basting while you cook. When combining Broil King's dual-tube burners, Flavor Wave cooking system, and heavy-duty cast iron grids, you have the luxury of utilizing the entire cooking surface for high heat searing or low and slow roasting. You also have the ability to use a section of the grill as a sear zone, thanks to precise zone control. The redesigned Baron series gives you exceptional performance and versatility. The all-new Baron now comes with Broil King's renowned American-made cast aluminum cookbox. Larger in design, the cookbox provides excellent heat retention and long-lasting durability. It's designed to maintain even heat for precise temperature control while grilling. The redesigned grease management system has a much larger capacity and is easier to remove for convenient cleanup. Linear flow valves with 180-degree SensiTouch control knobs give you infinite heat control, allowing you to set your grill to the perfect temperature for searing, roasting, or slow cooking. When you're grilling at night, the newly upgraded control knobs illuminate to create a look that's both attractive and functional. Here are some other great features available on select Baron models. The new 10,000 BTU cast iron direct flame burner allows you to do more with your grill. Create mouth-watering side dishes, soups, or sauces while you grill. Plus, the upgraded side burner trivet has a unique shape to work with an exact fit cast iron griddle for other great meal ideas. Now crank up the searing heat with a premium infrared side burner and wow your guests. Broil King's infrared side burner technology gives you the ability to sear quickly and efficiently. Radiant heat from the superheated ceramic tile delivers even and intense searing power for amazing results. The heavy stainless cooking grid and cast aluminum body are rust-resistant and easy to clean. Select Baron models include a premium rotisserie kit and a powerful rear rotisserie burner. Each kit features heavy-duty meat forks that lock your meal into place, a durable rotisserie rod, counterbalance mechanism, and a long-lasting auto-reverse rotisserie motor. The rotisserie burner provides even heat and a wide range of temperature control to achieve succulent results. Made from quality North American steel, the cabinet doors are available in either stainless steel or zinc-coated steel that's powder-coated in black epoxy paint. All doors are accented with durable stainless steel door handles. The all-new Baron models come equipped with a premium thermometer to show precise temperature. The easy-to-lift lid is available in either stainless steel or black porcelain enamel steel. The cast aluminum end caps with billet stainless steel accents provide added durability and heat retention. The stainless steel side shelves come with integrated tool hooks to keep all of your grilling essentials close at hand. The shelves are designed to fold down for easy storage in tight spaces. Thanks to the all-new Baron's shelf mounting mechanism, these shelves are easy to install and remove or lock into place. All Baron models come with 4 durable locking casters that quickly stabilize your Broil King on uneven surfaces. Broil King uses high-quality stainless steel for many components. Many other steel components are zinc-coated and protected by a powder coat epoxy paint that's baked on through a triple coat process and provides superior rust protection and a lustrous shine. The all-new Baron series is backed by an industry-leading warranty. This ensures that your grill will perform for many years to come. Proudly built in North America and built to last, the all-new Baron series by Broil King. Great barbecues every time.